my dear children. Today we are going to solve the English workshop of Unit 1. In the last activity video, I have already taught you the first song, It's a Small World, and today we are going to solve the questions which are based on it. So let us turn to the English workshop. The first question, sing the song. We have already sung the song in the last video. And the second question, note down the pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Add one more rhyming word to each pair. Students, we are going to find the rhyming pairs from the song, and then we will write the rhyming words to each pair. We will add one more rhyming word to each pair. In the first stanza, we will read the poem. Accordingly, we will find the rhyming words. It's a world of laughter, a world of tears. It's a world of hopes and world of fears. So first rhyming word, tears and fears. Like tears, fears. And one more rhyming word, ears. Okay. Now next, share, aware. So for that we have added one more rhyming word, share, aware, beware. Now the next rhyming word, sun, one, and divide and wide. We have already added some more rhyming words to it. Like sun, one, fun, divide, wide, side. That question number 3, guess and discuss the meaning of the following lines. Like it's a world of laughter, a world of tears, it's a world of hopes and a world of fears. In the last video I have clearly explained you the meaning, but still now I am going to give you this meaning, and you have to you can use your mother tongue in that. इट्स अ वर्ल्ड ऑफ लाफ्टर, या जगात आनंद आहे, इस दुनिया में खुशी है. इट्स अ वर्ल्ड ऑफ टीयर्स, या जगात दुःख आहे, इस दुनिया में दुख है. इट्स अ वर्ल्ड ऑफ होप्स, इस दुनिया में आशा है, या जगात आशा आहे. एंड इट्स अ वर्ल्ड ऑफ फियर्स, इस दुनिया में डर है, या जगात भीती आहे. Question number 4. The poem says, add and a smile means friendship to everyone. Give examples of other actions or gestures that mean the same in all parts of the world. Give 3 examples of gestures or actions that have a specific meaning only in the certain regions. One such example would be thumbs up. I have given you many gestures like thumbs up, okay, index extension, victory, make, feast, call. These are accepted worldwide. Again, some examples like hand signals like okay, go up, problem, go down, come down to my level. So these are all the signals and gestures. Number 5. The following sentences were heard in a school on the first day. Use these expressions to prepare simple conversations between 2 or more speakers. You may use the same expression more than once and add your own line. Form pairs or groups and present the conversation in the classroom. So like hello, hi, how are you? It's nice to be back in school. How was your journey to meet my friends dash and dash? We had so much fun together. So nice to see you again. We went in the vacation. How was your holiday? I spent my holiday at. How was your holiday? I'm so glad to see you all. How did you spend your holiday? I am new here. My name is what's yours? So students, we can use such conversations in our daily talk. I have prepared some conversations for you. So let us read it. There are 3 friends, A, B, and C. So A says hello, B says hi. A, how are you? B, I'm fine. A, it's nice to meet you again. Meet my friends. C, I'm new here. What's your name? A, my name is Raj. B, how were your holidays, Raj? A, it was a great fun. I spent my vacation in Goa. B, wow, great. It's nice to be back to school. So with the help of such sentences, you can prepare one conversation. You can add more sentences in this conversation. You can practice it in the classroom. Students, did you recognize all these characters? These characters were there in your last standard 6th 1.2 warm up with Tara and friends. This is Tara and these are all her friends. What is the conversation between them? We will read it. Hi Bittu. Hi Paddy. Hi Cuckoo. I'm so excited about starting studies again. Bittu says, "Oh no, holidays are over." Cuckoo says, "More play on the school playground." Paddy says, "Hi Tara. I'm excited too. I will see my friends." Okay? Cuckoo says, "I am sad without Paddy." Mia says, "We are lucky we don't have school." And Mittu says, "Mia, you will never learn." Okay, so this is the conversation between all these friends. Next part, students, we are going to play one game. One, two, three. There are three steps to play this game. It is an interesting game. You can play this game in the classroom. Step 1, letters. Form pairs. One person says the alphabet from A to Z in his mind till the other person stops him. Write down the letter you get. Step 2. Both partners write three words each beginning with that letter. Step 3. Phrases. Exchange the words you write, then use the words you get to write meaningful phrases. In the first picture, we can see that Cuckoo is saying some words in her mind. Paddy tries to stop her in the middle. He interrupts her. Cuckoo says A, B, C, D, E, F. Paddy tries to stop her, and then Cuckoo writes the letter what is in her mind. She writes the letter F. Okay. Now both these children write some words starting with the letter F. Now we are going to see what are those words. Who has written fun, fish, frog, and Paddy has written face, finger, foot. Now both these children exchange these words, and after exchanging it they try to make meaningful phrases. Now we are going to see what phrases they have made. Has written my face, finger chips, a frog's foot, and Paddy has written, "Oh, what fun! A green frog, a fish tank." Okay, so these are all the phrases they have made with this words. So, students, you can also try to play such games in the classroom. First step is one partner will recall or will say all the letters in his or her mind. The second one will stop him or her, and then they will write the letter